We're back here. It is August 13th and it is noon and we are about to start siding. If you guys are excited to get into watching us side our tiny house, make sure you give the video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell. Four boxes of siding. 2 squares per carton, covers 200 square feet, so he's leaving Thursday or Friday, so we're gonna see how much we get done.
That looks good, right?
Double check to make sure it's level. I missed him doing that. He waits for nobody. What happened? That one just not. Oh. Do you want me to hold it down like you are? Or?
Yes, you're level.
Pretty level.
You said hello and I lost my control in just one tiny second. You do to me what I've seen in the movies, but this really happening. My mind explodes. I can feel my bones shaking to the beat of my bleeding heart. An overload. Don't know how this goes, but I'm pretty sure you just made my world stop. I can't believe my eyes when I get close to you, close to you, close to you. So pretty, I could die. I can't be close to you, close to you.
It's a good learning if anybody else is out there doing their siding. What not to do. That. Focus. Compared to where there's a little bit of space there, so.
Let's see. We like to have as little of waste as possible. This also doesn't have the cut in part. You know, because we cut off each other. We will pull this one out a little and nail it, because what this does is offset our, you know, we want our seams to be offset.
Okay.
So, and then this is using all the material also.
So pretty, I could die. I can't be close to you, close to you, close to you, close to you. Close to you, close to you, close to you. Close to you, close to you, close to you. If you're as perfect under the surface, I don't know what I will do. 'Cause I can't believe my eyes when I get close to you, close to you, close to you, close to you. Close to you, close to you, close to you. Close to you, close to you, close to you, close to you. Close to you, close to you, close to you.
It smashed my finger.
Close to
I'm not trying to flick you off.
close to you.
I completely whacked the paint off my nail.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling
On the final, well, there's still technically one other little piece, but it came out, I think, if I can turn you, decently well. It's a little bit hard to see because it's getting dark, so until tomorrow. Yeah, you can have what's in my pocket, but until tomorrow, we are done with today. Day 2 of the siding. Smashed my finger again on the same finger. It really hurt. It was fun.
You just get hit. Thank God you were not looking up. Remember what we said about checking the top of ladders, honey? There's that hammer you couldn't find. You found it. Well, honey, how do you start moving a ladder and not even feel it?
Just had a hammer fall on my head. Fantastic. It fucking hurt. I have no idea what she's barking at.
You ready for today, honey?
Yes. So what are we not doing to the top one? We're not doing the top one so we can add the light?
Yes, we can drill a hole right there and add a light to the side. We like our front porch and back like a little bit into the channel.
Like you normally would?
Yeah.
A quarter?
And it's still gonna sit inside there. It's not gonna be outside of it.
Yeah.
Okay. Because we just don't want it too far out where it doesn't go behind there.
Yeah. I feel like if you did 56, it'd be just a little too short.
56 and 40.
See if I'm right.
Oh, it's not far enough?
The seam. I don't. If I do that, then it sticks out over here.
Well, honey, that was why when I said, if is it going to be too short all the way down? If you cut, and you said, no, I think 56 would be too tight. So 56 wasn't too tight.
Yes.
Because that 1/4 inch that you just slit it is the 1/4 inch that needs to overlap. Now it's short on the window.
It might actually be okay. I might have measured a little bit wrong, but we might be able to make it work. Or just recut this end piece. That one.
It's still overlap.
Yes.
Is that good?
Yeah.
So close. Right?
Yeah.
You really have to know what you're looking for. I'll give you that little fuck up. Right here, you can...
Kind of. You can kind of see it. But it's a cup that you really need to know what you're looking for to find. Got our soffit semi fixed, definitely better than what it was. Hopefully no more flying squirrels find their way up there.
True.
He's finishing that last little piece, and then we just have that tiny little piece left on this side of the wall. So we are done with this side. We just have to add the little light in this little area. We have to actually buy it. This side is left.
We got 2 sides left.
Oh, and this side.
Yeah, this looks good. Now it came out, you know. A little bit better than it was looking. All the deliveries.
Yeah, I can't do this without it. So we're going from this little mini fridge, which, oh,